Hello, welcome back after a long time on this YouTube channel. And today it is going to be a very special day because today I'm going to start a new series on how the stock market exactly works and how we can participate in it. We may have heard a lot of things about the stock market, how somebody made their entire money or how somebody lost all of it, sab doob gaya. And that's why I think it is very important for us to know how the stock market exactly works. And we will be beginning right from the beginning to the advanced levels. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with what is a share. A share can be considered as a small entity in a company. Imagine you have invested 10,000 rupees in a company. That means you own 10,000 worth of shares. We can also say that you own a 10,000 worth rupees of chair or a desk in a company or something like that. Imagine a pizza. Imagine a pizza as a company and each slice as its share. That means you have paid some money to the company to own a slice of a pizza. So pizza slice equals to share of a company in the simplest form. And a company can use that money which you paid for a slice for its own business. What is an exchange, you might ask? In its simplest form, an exchange is a place where buyers and sellers exchange their shares. You might have heard of the National Stock Exchange and the Bombay Stock Exchange, which are the most popular ones. Did you know that the National Stock Exchange is the largest stock exchange in India and the Bombay Stock Exchange is the oldest one? And a fun fact, a single day turnover of the National Stock Exchange is approximately 2 lakh crore rupees. Whoa! Whenever we hear the term broker, we get a little skeptical. But don't worry, the broker is our friend here because broker provides the platform where we can trade easily from the comfort of our homes. If you remember earlier, we used to call the broker, हाँ भैया Reliance के शेयर खरीद लो 500 में और 530 में बेच देना. But now we can do it right from our computers. And of course, because they provide an ease of trading, they charge a nominal fee known as brokerage for every trade we take. Zerodha and Upstocks are the most popular broker in India. Comment below if you know other popular brokers which you use or you have heard of. Why do we trade in the market? Of course, to make a profit. Have you ever met anyone who wants to make a loss in the market? No, right? So how does the trade takes place? How the price of a share is decided? Come, let me show you. Now I did not have anything else to show, so I have some animal friends with me who can show you how a trade takes place. For any trade to take place in the market, we need a set of buyers and a set of sellers. Buyers are the ones who are willing to buy a share and the sellers are the ones who may have the share and are willing to sell it. Now suppose all these animals want to trade Reliance, which is trading at say 500 rupees. So the buyers call for something known as the bid price. That means the price on which they are willing to buy a share. And the sellers similarly have an ask price for their share. We all have seen the price going up and down every second. How does that happen? It's because the exchange matches the bid price of the buyers to the ask price of the sellers with complex algorithms, and they get executed within microseconds. Let's look at the example. We know that Reliance is currently trading at 500 rupees. Now the bid price says that the buyers are willing to buy at 501 rupees, 501.5, 502 rupees and 504 rupees. But on the other hand, the sellers are willing to sell at 504, 503.5, 502.5 and 502. So the 502 matches the seller's 502 and that's a trade. And that changes the current price of Reliance to 502. Similarly, as the bids changes, as the ask price changes, suppose it comes to 504 and it becomes a match, it will again change to 504. It all depends on how a trader sees the worth of an individual stock. Now, of course, there are many other factors on how stock price is decided, but you get the idea. That's how it works. That's all for today, folks. Stay tuned to the next chapters because it is going to be more interesting as we dive deeper into the stock market. Stay tuned. If you like this video, hit a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and support me to grow, and let's make everyone some note bundles.